So next repetition type is while loop. We already complete the for loop. So next we are going to study while loop. So here the syntax of while loop, the flowchart for while loop is here. So starter, then initialization statement is there, then in while there is a test expression is there. If the condition, so that is our condition. So if the test expression is evaluated true, then execute the body of while loop, then it is going to repeat again the testing of the while loop condition. So if the body of while loop is executed until if the test expression is evaluated true. If the test expression is evaluated false, then it is going to out of the loop and execute the statement following the while loop. So this is the basic working of while loop. So first we need to check one condition. Based on that condition only we need to find that how many times the while loop become executed. If the condition is true, then again the while loop body of the while loop be executed, then again go back to test the condition. So it is because the loop. So if the test expression is evaluated false or condition is false, then loop is exited, then statement following the while loop is executed. So finally stop. Here one example is we are look at that. So program to print the first five natural numbers using while loop. So here first set count is equal to 1. Then our condition or test expression is while count less than or equal to 5. So if the condition is true, then just to print the count. So first count become 1. Then inside the while loop we just increment the count value by 1. Count is equal to count plus 1. Then the count become 2. Then again go back to while loop, that is loop. So again check that 2 less than or equal to 5. Then print 2, then count is equal to count plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So count become 3. Then again check that 3 less than or equal to 5. So it is, so up to 5 it is printed. Then the count becomes 6. Then check that 6 less than or equal to 5. The condition become false and exit the loop. This is the use of while loop. So here here the syntax of while loop means while test condition, then body of the while. If the test condition is evaluated true, then body of the while is executed. So here this is the explanation for while loop. So the while statement execute a block of code repeatedly as long as the control condition of the loop is true. So you already see that if the condition is true, then only the loop will be executed. If the condition is false, then loop is exited. So the control condition of the loop is executed before any statement inside the loop is executed. So which means that here only first we test the condition while count less than or equal to 5. If the condition is true, then only we can move to the inside of the loop. Otherwise not move to the inside of the loop. So after each iteration, the control condition is tested again and the loop is continuous as long as the condition remains true. Which means that, so here print count, then count is equal to count plus 1. So here that is the inside the body of the while. So here after the execution of the lines, it is automatically go back to the while loop again. Then check that the count is less than 5. So then only it is executed again and again. So if the condition is false, the loop will exit. So this is the, so then when this condition become false, the statement in the body of the loops are not executed and the control is transferred to the statement immediately following the body of the while loop. So here if the while count less than or equal to false, then it is automatically moved to the but in this program there is no statement after the while loop, so it is program is just terminated or exited. So if the condition of the while loop is initially false, the body is not executed even once. So this is an important point, which means that if the count value is less than or equal to 5, if it is true, then only it is executed the body of the loop. So initially if the count value, assume that initially the count value is 6, then the loop is not executed even only one even not a single time. So that's why it is written as if the condition of the while loop is initially false, then the body is not executed even once. So this is a working of while loop. So while loop is also known as an entry control loop because here the at the time of entrance in the loop there is a condition is there. If the condition is evaluated true, then only the loop is executed. So that's why it is called an entry control loop. While loop is also called an entry control loop.